To the channel, it's your boy Foxy Gaming. Today we're gonna playing Subsurf. What's it called again? Yeah, Subway Surf. Subway Surf. Today we're gonna play Subway Surf first. Now it's a cool game. It's like I remember. Okay. Okay. Up. No, 10. Yeah, I'll go into 2000. Alright. We got everything ready. So, let's see. Oh. Yeah, I used to play this a long time ago. Alright. There we go. Whoosh. Whoosh. Oh, I was doing spin dash. Shh. Oh. 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 Hey. Oh. Gnarly, dude. Oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, no, that's bad. Oh. Oh. Okay. Oh. 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 Okay. Okay. Oh. Okay. Whoosh. Whoosh. Oh. Oh. Darn it. Ah, that was a close one. I just want to see high school. High school. I like the running motions. Wait a minute, can I? Wait. Ooh, for free. Ooh. Actually, I kind of like the color. It's really cool. Alright, on a scale of 1 to 10, actually. So we got all these characters. We got Kenny. We got Spike. We got Fresh. We got Trixie. We got Jake. Nets. Maybe. Goombot. Frank. Hey, yeah. I have a friend named Frank. That's cool. We got Frizzy. We got King. We got Uzi. We got Ninja. Tappa. We got Tasty, we got Zoe, we got Brody, we got Prince K. So we got King, now Prince. Wait, so we have a King. Now we have a Prince. Dino Prince? Okay, that's weird. Let's see. Okay. So, alright, guys, so far. Alright, let's start. Okay, guys, so I'm not gonna lie, I kind of like the music. I'm an idiot. What is wrong? Why did I do that? Why did I do that? Oh, I get the L. Oh, hey, play. Let's play series. Oh, we got him. Got him. Oh, 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 I'm doing spin dash. Oh, oh, I thought that was moving for a minute. Oh, 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 okay, okay, okay. Oh! We did it. We did it. Oh, oh, can you catch me? Keep touching. Oh, oh, that's my life. Oh, I wanted to talk about this guy. Oh, 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 yes! Ah! Guys, this is actually cool. I'm not gonna lie, this. Don't tap.